Hey guys, Ron from ReveMoto. Today we're going to be fixing a 2016 Mitsubishi Lancer rear bumper. So it looks like it fits from 2008 to 2017. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe and turn on that push notification. So let's go ahead and get started. So the tools you're going to be using. My wife is videotaping, so she made me put it on the cart. So we need a screwdriver, a socket wrench with a 10mm and an extension, and then a panel removal tool right here. So let's push our cart this way. Actually, let's go on the other side first. Alright, so first we're going to use this. It's going to be a screwdriver. So right here on the sides of the bumper, there's these push pin looking things. So it's like a screwdriver. It's made out of plastic. That's kind of out a little bit, you can use a flathead. You can just pry it out like that. Same thing with the other one. Just kind of turn it and then pry it out like that. It falls down like that sometimes. And then there's another one on top. I think this is a different one. I think this bumper's been fixed before, so it doesn't have the other push pin, but be a push pin like that. Stick it out. Then right on top right here, it's a 10mm. So we'll get a 10mm. Right there. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So it looks like this. Same thing on the other side. You got these like little push pins, but it's a screwdriver looking thing. You just turn it like that. And then you use this to take it out. So there is gonna be two more, but again, they're missing it. And then a 10mm right here. There you go. So now we're gonna go to the bottom. So if you go to the bottom right here, same thing. You're gonna use one of these, either a flathead or a tool like this one.
Okay, hold on.
All right, so now it's off like that. It looks deformed. So there's gonna be a couple more of those over here. So it's gonna be a couple more of those push pins right here and right here, but they're missing it, so we have to go to the store and get that later. So there's another one right here on the other side. Oh my god, it's like equally as hard. Like that. Oh, this one's easier. Okay, take it off. There you go. Put that there. Then we're gonna open the trunk.
If y'all are from Buc-ee's, you know what that is. If you're not and you come to Texas, look them up.
So open that up.
Okay.
So you're gonna have a 10mm right there.
tail light's cracked.
Oh, it is cracked.
But she got hit on
You got hit in the
this
back too.
side.
Yeah, well, impact. Well, I don't know. She might have just. So take off that bolt right there. Leave that in there. So there's another one on the other side, right here. Go. So now, all right, so we're gonna go to one side. We're gonna pull like that, like that. Go to the other side. We're gonna pull like that.
Ooh, a lot of stuff just fell out.
And then there's gonna be a plug right here. So if you come back here, I can show you.
Okay.
So this wire right here, unclip it like that. Got a new video person.
Are you just pulling it out?
Yes, I'm just pulling it out. See? It's just held down by these clips. So right here, you're gonna need this. Okay. So it's these prongs again. And then back here, you see this? So go ahead and push down on that. Plug comes off. Anything over here? Take that off. Another plug.
Okay.
Alright, so the GoPro comes off. Alright, so that's how you install a 2016 Mitsubishi Lancer rear bumper. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to us. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your prepaid auto body parts source. Thank you guys.